Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see or view what antivirus you are using on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Going down, select update and security. And then on the left side, select Windows Security. And now on the right, select Open Windows Security. And now that we're on this page here, you want to select on the left where it says Settings. And on the right side, it should tell you what antivirus you're using here. By selecting under Security Providers, select Manage Providers, and it'll tell you what your antivirus is right here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.